All right, B, we adding some mesquite wood in there. We're cooking over an open fire today. Go check out some beautiful steaks right there. Got them at Cane's Supermarket, Albany, Louisiana. Just around 40 bucks for all of them. Guys, I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna hit it with some salt, sea salt. We're gonna brush it with a little pepper. Hit it with that pepper like that. Oh man, y'all know I like that pepper. Now we're gonna give them a flip. Give them a flip over, like this. Flip them all over. And we're gonna repeat. We're gonna hit it with a little salt. All we season with today, y'all, is salt and pepper. We're cooking right over that open fire right there. Check that out. We're just gonna drop them steaks on there like that. Dropping them steaks right over that open fire. Get that mesquite wood burning on there today, boy. We're cooking over that direct heat. Look down in there, you can see those silver things. That's our potatoes down in there. We've been about a minute and a half on that side. We're gonna give them a flip over. Ooh, look how pretty that is right there, y'all. My goodness, look at that steak right there. First flip right there. Open fire cooking today. Going in for that second flip now. Come on in here, B. Ooh, look at that. Man, don't that look pretty right there? That second flip. Woo! That's 155. 155. See what we got right here? 160, y'all. That's well done right there. So all of them's running around medium well. Look at that steak right there, B. Ooh, show them that. Show them that right there. Ooh. This one here is Mama T's. You know, she wanted hers well done. These here are well done. I had them on the hottest side of the fire. Get them two off of there. And then look at these right here, y'all. That's fine steaks right there, y'all. Fine steaks right there. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Don't get no better than this right here. Look at them steaks right there. All medium well, and you got a couple well done for Mama T. It just don't get no better than this. Loco, loco, loco. Happy summertime. Time to get out and start grilling, y'all. We don't get no better than that right there, I promise you. All right, B, look at that. Grab me one of them steaks right there. Let's see what that steak's looking like. Oh, yeah, look at that. Huh? That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. That is some kind of beautiful right there, y'all. That's medium well. I know some of y'all gonna say, oh, it's overcooked. I like mine raw or whatever, you know. But anyway, these here are medium well steaks. And I'm telling you right now, y'all, just a little salt and pepper on them goes a long ways. Let's see, let's give that a try right there. Yeah, I kid you not. Cooked over hickory wood over open fire. Medium well is how I like eat my steaks. That's how we cooked them today. I'm telling you right now, y'all, look how pretty that is right there. See the light pink in it? Good stuff right here, y'all. You got to cook your steaks over open fire.